In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations in Kartra. Automations let Kartra react for you, so when someone fills out a form or buys a product, the right follow-up happens instantly without you lifting a finger. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set a simple, reliable automation inside any asset you're editing. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Kartra. Look for the official Kartra website in the results and click through to reach the login page. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. Everything we'll do is inside a guided setup wizard. Automations in Kartra are created from within the asset you're working on. That could be a form under contacts or a product under sales. Open the asset you want to enhance and enter its setup wizard. Along the top or side, depending on your view, locate the Automations tab. This tab is where you tell Kartra what to watch for and what to do next. Click the button labeled New Automation. Think of this as creating a rule. Every rule has two parts, an if and a then. The if is the trigger, what needs to happen for the rule to fire. Choose a trigger that's specific to the asset you're editing. For a form, that might be lead fills this form. For a product, it could be customer buys this product. Selecting an asset-specific trigger ensures the automation only runs when it's relevant. Now choose the then action, what you want Kartra to do the moment the trigger occurs. Common actions include assigning a tag to help you segment contacts, subscribing the person to a particular email list so they receive the correct sequence, or granting membership access so new customers can get into their content immediately. Pick the action that matches your goal. If you're unsure, a good baseline is to assign a tag and subscribe to a list, which keeps your audience organized and engaged. Once your if and then are set, click Add to confirm the rule. You'll see it appear in your automation list for that asset. Finally, save the asset's configuration. This is crucial. Saving activates the change so Kartra can begin listening for the trigger and carrying out the action. That's it. You opened Kartra, accessed the asset, built a clear if-then rule, and saved your settings. With this foundation, you can create consistent, hands-off experiences for leads and customers across your business.